Good day to you, Travis. I'm sure you are all dying to see me and miss me when I've been gone this week. I've been gone obviously since Saturday in just an awesome seminar I attended. It was called The Experience. It was by my coaching company, Building Champions. And gosh, I really recommend you go to buildingchampions.com if you're interested in improving your life and business. It's just a wonderful coaching company I've been with for 3 years, and this experience they had was just incredible. Best thing I've ever been to. So I'm pretty much on a high from that. And but today, well, the market is kind of flat. The mortgage-backed securities and stocks are pretty much even. They've been up and down this morning on both levels, and they're both pretty much at zero, right at neutral point. So reasons for this, well, just we don't even know. I mean, it could be an hour from now, and we're going to see a 400-point gain. Yesterday, the stocks were down 400, and they closed 400 up. So it was an 800-point swing. I mean, 800-point swings never used to happen. I mean, those are crazy numbers. So interesting times. So I missed a bunch. It was nice. They had us make an agreement while we were there at this experience that we had to turn off our cell phones and any kind of computer device to stay in touch with the world during the seminar from basically 7 to 7 each day. So I didn't even check into the news too much, other than I snuck a little bit at nighttime. But it was nice not to have to be so, I guess, focused on what was going on in the market. Today, bad economic reports. I'm surprised the market hasn't responded more, but again, with all the craziness, the news is actually back on financial reports how it should be, not just the validity of the market or the volatility of the market. Today, new home sales fell 6.3%, and this is the lowest number since 1991, September of 1991, so not good for us in the real estate business. Also, building permits for new construction fell 8.3%, already added to a bad number we've seen all year. And this is a 27-year low in applications for permits. So when a builder goes into the county and applies for permits to build or start new construction, this is what that is. So down a 27-year low. Also, University of Michigan's consumer sentiment number was basically every 2 weeks they take a poll of similar to a election poll. They'll call random people and ask what their confidence is in the market and the economy, and it's down to the second lowest reading since 1980. So back in 1980, we know it was the Cold War and really difficult economic times. The rates were at 13% on a mortgage, and we saw the gas lines, the gas fuel shortages, and we're not in a global economy. So not real good on that. The only good news I have for you today is oil broke below $70 a barrel. And as I'm sure you've seen, and as I drove back from my experience, which was about 3 hours away from here, I stopped and got gas and was surprised to see how little it took to fill up my tank, or at least how little in expense it cost. So hopefully that'll keep plummeting, and we'll at least have some relief in the oil or the gas prices. I mean, that's about all we got going for us right now. And maybe heating oil for those that still use that for winter time, as well as natural gas prices should be going down. So those are the highlights of the day. Like I said, it could change. I could be done with this recording by the time I post it. It could be all bad information. So for now, we're flat. And usually on Fridays, I think we're going to maybe hopefully go into a weekend with not any real huge volatility. So we'll come in back in Monday morning, which typically Mondays are pretty exciting. So because again, the market's open in foreign currencies in China and then Europe before our market opens Monday morning. So a lot can happen Monday morning. So for now, I think we might coast through into the weekend, but I wish you have a great weekend, and we look forward to serving you, and be blessed.